The 2022 TileMate is an affordable item tracker for keys, wallets, purses, and other things like that, and they're cheaper than Apple AirTags. They come in at $25 for one or $70 for a 4-pack, but there's several things that make these item trackers just a straight up pass, in my opinion. The TileMate is small and has an integrated keyring loop for attaching it to keys, and it's small enough that it can easily fit in your wallet. The Mate has an integrated speaker that you can trigger using your phone if an item is within the 200-foot range of your phone, and it rings loud and clear. It also has a button on the tile you can press if you misplace your phone and if you want to make your phone beep. This button will make your phone beep even if your phone is on silent. It's super easy to set up and activate your tile. You just need the Tile app on your phone and you follow the directions on the screen and it walks you through the setup. These tiles use Bluetooth Low Energy and they have a QR code on the back that can be scanned by someone else if your item is lost and you need help finding it. This is where the cool free features start to end. Tile has a paid premium service that will pay up to $1,000 for a lost item if you're a part of their premium monthly or yearly subscription. They also give you some other perks, like they allow the app to tell you where an item was last found and to track the location history of it with the paid service. It also unlocks the ability to have notifications if you leave an item behind at your home or in a public place, which is super handy, and in fact the AirTags give this as an included feature. I just think it's crazy that Tile charges money to unlock this location history and to unlock the notifications if you leave an item behind somewhere. To me, this makes it a complete pass, and I think that you should just pay a little bit extra to get the AirTags because they have all these other features and more. Another issue with these trackers is that you can't even change the battery. So Tile says the battery will last up to 3 years and the warranty conveniently expires after 1 year unless you pay for the premium service fee. So again, Tile is just adding a bunch of add-ons to get you into their ecosystem and to get you to pay a lot more just to keep track of your item and just to use the tile that you paid money for. For messing around with the tile for a few weeks, it works well enough. The beeping is really loud if you need to track your item, and it finds my phone every time too. And I really like that it tells you on the app how strong your signal is when you're getting closer to an item. But this doesn't work quite as well as Apple's U1 chip allows you for the precision finding with the warm and cold method on an iPhone. So to me, the tile is just kind of an okay device that could get the job done if you're not an Apple user. But if you don't want to pay a monthly fee or a yearly fee to use all the cool features they have, I think you should just pass, spend a little bit more money and get the AirTags. Now, one con of the AirTags is you do have to buy accessories to allow you to use it on a key ring or special wallets or other accessories like that. But this is a small price to pay, a one-time fee in order to use your AirTag however you want. And the AirTags have user-changeable batteries. Thanks for watching this video. If you found value in this content, please like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any upcoming content. If I missed anything with the tile or if you have any questions about it, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to get back to you.